Disney Toys Review here. Today we have Matchbox on a mission. Mission Force Construction and Mission Force Farm. We're going to take a look at both boxes and then we're going to open one of them. Let's see what is in this one. Mission Force Construction. Wow! It has 2 different helicopters, 3-axle dump truck, ground grinder, and ground breaker. Wow, that's really cool. Let's check out Mission Force Farm. Look, this one also has 2 airplanes. It's got a combine, a pickup truck, and a tractor. Let's see what names they give them. This is the Stunt plane. This is the Biplane. Here we have a 1957 GMC stepside. Here's a sewing machine. And here's a tractor. Let's open up the farm. Here's the Stunt plane. Propeller really moves. So do the wheels. And it's got a nice wingspan. It has 73 on it. And look at the yellow cockpit. The next plane we have is the biplane. They call it a biplane because it has 2 sets of wings. Wow! It has an open cockpit. Can you see where the people sit? Very cool, and they wear special masks. And that one has a wheel back here too. Let's see it roll. Now let's see it take off. Next we have a tractor. Wow, it's a nice blue tractor. It's got nice big wheels. Next we have our step-side pickup truck. Wow, it's red and it's a classic and we can carry things back there. It looks like it's wood. Has some nice wheels. Look at those hubcaps. Those are really cool. This is a really nice classic red car. Then we have our sewing machine. This is to put seeds in the ground. And look at his great big wheels. And all the details of all the pipes and where the seeds come down. Wow! I love the bright green color. Look, that's where our farmer sits. Woo! I like having farm vehicles. It'd be fun to work on a farm. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.